Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find targeted LinkedIn profile email addresses using free Google Com extension. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. As you can see, I'm opening it up the Google spreadsheet that I have received from my client. So I have already collected this information like employee status, title, and LinkedIn profile. So now I need to collect the email addresses. Let me show you the process. For collect the email addresses, I am using one free Google Com extension. Let me show you. Just click on new tab and type out LeadLeaper extension. In the first link, chromewebstore.google.com, just click on this. This is the extension that we will use to collect the email addresses. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. Now, I need to add this extension to my Chrome browser. For this, just click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension so that extension has been added to Chrome. Now, we need to sign up this extension. For this, just click on sign up with Google and just click on I agree LeadLeaper terms and condition. Just click on this and again click on sign up with Google and select your Gmail account. Just click on your Gmail account and just click on continue. So as you can see, my account is already logged in. So now it's time to collect the email addresses. So before that, you need to click on the extension list and then click on pin to right here so that you can access this easily. Now you just go back to the spreadsheet and just click on this LinkedIn profile and just simply click on the extension. Just take a look. Within a second, the extension find the email addresses. Just copy this. Just copy the email addresses. Go back to the spreadsheet and paste it to here. Firstly, it is complete. Now go back to the second one. Just click on the profile URL and then click on this extension right here. Extension is working. Just take a look. The extension already find out the email addresses. Just click on this email, click on this pen icon and copy this email, go back to the spreadsheet and paste it to here. Now click on the next LinkedIn URL, click on this extension. The extension is working. Just click on the fourth number. Just click on this extension. Just take a look. The email address is there. Just click on this email. Click on the pen icon and copy this email. Go back to the spreadsheet. Paste it to here. These email are not available. So this is the process how to find targeted LinkedIn profile email addresses using free Google Chrome extension. If you need any service regarding this, please feel free to contact me. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.